on the page. That's all. Now we'll be talking about forex trading introduction. The voice of the person you are hearing, well, want to know my name? I answered the name Rebanji Odwanyo Samuel, but for the sake of YouTube videos, you can call me Samuel. What exactly is forex trading? Now, before talking about forex trading, we must first understand the forex market. The forex market is a global financial market where currencies are traded against each other as pairs. Forex trading is simply what happens in the forex market. I am sure by now you must have passed through several online material trying to gather knowledge and gain information. But here is what you must understand. Everything that happens in the forex market is based on psychology. Now, you might be wondering, or I'm sure you might have heard of several terms like pips, order block, trend line, margin, and lots more. These are what simply called terms used in forex. Just like banking have its terms, science have its terms, art have its terms, forex also have its terms. Now we'll be talking about terminology used in the forex market. There are several of them, but I think there are few which are important. Now, the first of which is the currency pair. Now, I mentioned trading pair. This is the first terminology I think is important. In the forex market, a currency pair is written as something like this: EUR/USD, simply said as euro against the US dollar. Now, the former is the base currency and the latter is the quote currency. If anyone asks you what takes place in the market, you will simply say buying and selling. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Now, you must have been wondering, Forex. Where does the name come from? Now, the word foreign exchange market is what is shortened to the forex market. When you enter a pair, as in the case of Euro USD, you are simply buying the currency and by paying for it with the quote currency. That's if you enter a buy position. Likewise, when you sell, you are simply selling the quote currency and getting paid. You are simply selling the base currency and getting paid with the quote currency. The next question is, how do I profit from all these actions? Whenever one buys, he sells whatever he bought. Also, whenever one sells, he buy back whatever he sold. Here come another terminology: order. You're not like, what is an order? If you enter a buy or sell position in the forex market, what you have simply done is open an order which you tend to close, or it closes by itself. When you close a buy order, you are simply selling the base currency and getting paid by the quote currency. When you close a sell order, you are simply buying back the base currency by paying with the quote currency. But how do you know when to buy and sell? The market displays where price was and where price is, so we only anticipate where price goes next. A wise man once said, if you know where you are coming from and where you are, predicting where you will be next is not much of a great task. Where price was and where price is, these two words are data. If data is well arranged, it becomes information. And God blesses the market chart. It has a lot of data. So all we are trying to do is turn it to information. We'll come back to this, but let me give you a layman example of how profit can be made, and by buying and selling currency pairs. How do I make profit by buying and selling a pair? Let's take Euro USD and imagine the current price is at $2 per euro. Don't forget, I said euro is the base currency in the case of this pair. So every transaction I'll be performing is I'm simply trying to buy the euro or sell the euro with the USD. Now, If the price is at $2 per euro and I open a buy order and then closes it at a higher price, I'll be selling the euro which I bought back, let's say at a price of $3 per euro. So I am making what? Profit. Now, in the selling scenario, let's take the same pair, euro USD. If I sell at $3 per euro and the price moves to $1 per euro, then I close the sell position. I'll be buying back the euro at the price of $1. Now we are also making profit. So I am sure by now you know how loss can be made. If data is used in the wrong way, we get wrong information, and when actions are taken based on wrong information, the output is always bad. Let me correct this. When actions are taken based on wrong information, the output is always bad. Take note of that. When we misuse the data we have on the chart, we take wrong decisions. Now, the example given is just to give you an overview of how to make profit and loss in the market. Anticipate for the next 10 news in my next video. If you find this content educative, do well to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as this will boost my enthusiasm to drop in more videos. Thank you and stay blessed, traders.